answering your questions about retirement. It's Money Talk with Michael Eastham.
I just turned 60 and still plan to work for another 5 to 7 years. My mom died last year and left me an annuity with $200,000. She had it for 20 years when she put $80,000 in from her savings. I don't know much about investing, so I'm not sure what to do with this and have just left it alone. Can you help me figure out what to do?
There is good news and bad news when it comes to an inherited annuity. The good news is that when you get that money, it's usually a guarantee by a very large insurance company. So you don't have to worry about that side. The bad news is you're going to have a taxable event. There's no way around it. Now, you inherited an annuity worth $200,000, but the amount of money that was invested was $80,000. That means there's $120,000 that are gains or increases in the value of that annuity. And there haven't been any taxes paid on that $120,000. So the first thing you're going to need to do is set aside the money to pay the IRS. And that's going to depend on what your income bracket is for taxation. So you need to identify what that is first, and we can certainly help you to do that because it's going to be at your highest marginal tax bracket. That's one thing. The other thing is there may be some options that can allow you to spread out the tax cost over a period of time. So you'll need to check with the insurance carrier themselves. You'll also need to understand more about the type of annuity program that you have before you can actually determine whether this will work for you. Some insurance companies will allow you to take money out over a 5-year period of time or a 7 or 8 or 10-year period of time. And then that way you can spread that tax cost over that time period. Other annuities, they'll make you take the entire amount in a lump sum, and that's it. So make sure you have those finer points down. If you have specific questions and you have the contract or you have a statement, we'll be happy to get on a phone call together with you and the insurance company to make sure you understand what your options are and help you make an informed decision about how to handle that annuity. Now, once you get it out, there are lots of options that you can take advantage of across the investment spectrum to make sure that you deploy those newly inherited funds in a way that supports your goals and your dreams for retirement. Hope that helps and look forward to speaking with you soon.
If you've got a financial question you'd like to have answered, click on the link below to submit your question. You may hear your answer on an upcoming edition of Money Talk.